Hello you guys, let us get this hair in order from this hot mess to this beautiful hairstyle. So first thing I'm going to do is with this relaxer from Godlwana. It's a scalp care relaxer. It is for fine hair, which I absolutely have fine hair and I have very little hair. So I got this as my relaxer of choice. And then I got some Pantene shampoo and conditioner. With some combs. I have some hair food. I also have this gel from Perfect Touch, Wet Look Gel, and then I also have this Ultra Hold Hairspray, Ultimate Styling Control. So that is what I have. First thing let's do is to relax this hair. So many sachets over here. 1, 2, 4, and some gloves. So 2A and 2B. Okay, so this is 2A. This is the relaxer. So you mix this relaxer with this cream. Because I'm not going to use this whole thing, I am going to use my mixing bowl. My hair is very small, so I'm going to use my mixing bowl and we'll get things started. And I have this brush and I have gloves. So I'm going to mix my relaxer, and because I didn't need to use all of it, I decided to put it into the mixing bowl. So I mixed the relaxer as according to the mixing instructions. It's important to note that once you've mixed the relaxer and activator, you have to leave it for 5 minutes and then start relaxing your hair. My hair was blonde at this point. It's important to note that I hadn't washed my hair for the previous 2 days. So I have mixed my relaxer and activator. And now I'm going to start applying it to the hair. The box of the relaxer also came with this. It's called a cuddling oil moisturizer lotion. Is it this one? Oh no. But they also have a sachet to fix your scalp and your ear so that you don't get burnt. But I'm not going to use it. So this is how I'm going to show you how my hair looks. It's so bad. But let us get started and sort this mess out. So I'm going to show you my hair. As I mentioned, I had previously colored my hair, so I was just outgrowing it at this point. It was very, very scruffy, very dry, because I didn't want to interfere with the relaxing process. I ensured that I didn't wash my hair for the previous 2 days and I didn't have any products like a moisturizer or anything, so it was really, really dry. So relaxing my hair was pretty easy because of how small and short it was. This took a few minutes and I really enjoyed this relaxer. It didn't burn me at all, and I think I have a really sensitive scalp in my head and it's very dry, so I'm very prone to breaking. But I don't know whether it's the new formulation of the Dark and Lovely because it has aloe vera, but it was really, really gentle. So I massaged it. I took my time, massaged it all over my hair, and then after I went in with the comb. It is not advisable to comb your hair, especially when you have a sensitive scalp, mainly because it can trigger hair shedding. But for me, because my hair was so kinky, I just wanted to do that step for a good measure. Now we have to wait for a few more minutes, then we are going to rinse it off. So I used my Pantene shampoo and conditioner to wash off the relaxer, and thereafter I used this moisturizer that came with the relaxer, and then I added the color treatment leave-in conditioner from Care, as well as the Care hair serum. And then I started brushing my hair. I watched a few videos on how to do it, so I had an idea. I started brushing my hair, and then I added this styling gel just to ensure that it was flat. Honestly, I was winging it, but I had an idea on how to do this because I had done it before. But like, I'm not a professional, but this is just what worked for me. So I had to make sure that I brushed my hair so that it was slick, flat down. And then when it came to styling, it took me so long to figure it out. I would start and then stop and then start all over again. But I think the key to styling the hair and doing the waves is that your hair needs to be wet. So because the hair is so short, it dries out really quickly. So I would from time to time spray it with the leave-in conditioner. But anyway, I was using a small tooth comb here to make the waves, and I was using my finger to control the hair movement, if that makes sense. But honestly, it took me a while to figure it out. But the easiest part was doing the sides. The part on top was a bit difficult because typically the part on top is where you would curl your hair, but my hair is so short that I cannot curl it or style it. So it was really trial and error, but I hope what I'm doing makes sense to you. Let me know what you think. So as I'm saying, I had to go back and forth, and I didn't do the back part the best because I couldn't really see it, but I just had to ballpark. And my scalp was really sensitive here, and when you're doing finger waves, you want to really press it on your scalp. So hence why I'm making funny faces, because my scalp was really sensitive. But in the end, it worked out. And then I also used the setting spray at the end just to make sure that my hair stays in place. And this hairstyle really lasts. It can last up to 3 days before I have to redo it. And I would argue to say it looks even better the second day because it's not as flat. Because right after when I do this, I put my headscarf on, and then that just makes it flat. But when I sleep with it and I wake up the next day, I think it's really nice. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think, and if you have any extra questions, leave them in the comments section below, and I'll see you next time. Leave your family in the boardroom, and I don't think you'll ever change your way. 'Cause our house is not a home where